Yes.
Sir, I am poor English. Study in Malayalam medium.
മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയും.
At present, what are the major strengths and weakness of our India?
What are the
Major strengths
major strength? What are the major strength of India?
and weakness of our India.
And weakness. Fantastic boy. What class you are studying?
7th standard.
7th standard. Okay. Now, strength of India. What the major strength of India? You guys, that is 600 million youth.